Hey guys, it's John again with another review. Today I will be reviewing my shipment of MalloMe LED camping lights. They just came in the mail. So let's go ahead and get this box open. Now, I ordered 2 sets of these. It's supposed to be a storm here coming in the next day or two. Good old hurricane season. Alright. Like I said, I ordered 2 sets, but obviously we only need to open the one. From my understanding, this is a small local company, so want to see what we got here. Like I said, it's a set of 2. There's 1. There's 2. They even included the batteries. That's pretty cool. Supposed to be 350 lumens each. Alright, set that to the side. Let's go ahead and see what we got going on here. Alright. As you can see, these fold up, closes down. It's supposed to shut it off. Let's go ahead and get some batteries in here and see what it looks like. Alright, so, comes off very easy. Pop out these batteries. Let's get them in, shall we? 1. Ooh. Let's close that. Let's go ahead and get this top back on. Now I will say it's all plastic construction. I don't see anything to seal this here that would give me the impression that it's waterproof. But like I said, my reason for purchasing it was not the outdoor use. There we go. Nice and tight. Alright, like I said, you got the handles, they flip up. Let's see what we got. Looks pretty bright. Now the real question is, how long will the batteries last? Let's take a look at this one. Same thing, obviously. Like I said, 2-pack. So you can see you've got a couple LED strips. Nice mirrors to kick it back out. Not bad. Alright guys, I'll be posting this one shortly. Let me know what you think.